Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am English teacher of class LKG. Today's topic is phonic sound A words. So we are going to read phonic sound A words. Okay, so let's start phonic sound A, and there's a very important topic. So listen, be carefully. Okay, this is a phonic sound A words, and M A N man. This is the first word of phonic sound A. M A in man and man like your father and your uncle. Okay. V A in van. V A N van. This is the second word of phonic sound A. Suppose this is school van. Okay, V A N van. Suppose this is a school van. J A M jam. J A M jam. Okay, all of you like jam? You like jam now? J A M jam. C A T cat. C A T cat. R A T rat. C A T cat. R A T rat. Okay, all of you always see cat or rat at your home now. Okay, let's again and repeat after me. M A in man. This is man. V A in van. This is van. J A M jam. This is jam. C A T cat. This is cat. R A T rat. This is rat. M A in man. This is man. M A in man. All of you repeat after me. M A in man. This is man. V A in van. This is van. M A in man. V A in van. J A M jam. This is jam. J A in jam. This is jam. M A in man. V A in van. J A M jam. Okay. C A T cat. This is cat. C A T cat. This is cat. R A T rat. This is